When I turn my curiosity to source of scary legends and folklore about werewolves and vampires, the logical choice is something as old as mammals on Earth, the lethal disease rabies. Some of the clinical symptoms of rabies were very dramatic, scary and unexplainable for people who lived a long time ago, before the science gave any clues about these conditions, and before Louis Pasteur invented an effective treatment. Let me speculate about the deadly but interesting stuff. What is the classical appearance and behavior of vampire? Bloodsucker, nocturnal type of living, scary looks, rusty voice, physical strength, aggressive behavior. What traits associate with werewolves? Animal strength, nocturnal type of living, scary looks, not human voice, howling, abnormal looking eyes, aggressive behavior. How can one ward off these nasty creatures? With bright light, using religious symbols, garlic, something made from silver, like knives, bullets, etc. Let's take a look and point by point and see how these attributes align with known symptoms of rabies. Blood-sucking. During the illness progression, a person may experience spasm of chewing muscles, and the person may end up biting his own tongue. In addition to increased saliva production, the person can look like he oozing the blood out of his mouth. Nocturnal type of living. Light, especially bright light, causes the pain and discomfort on those afflicted with rabies. The darkness gives release, hence the appearance of being night creatures. Scary looks. Sure, most people don't look great when afflicted by serious condition. Rusty voice. The illness causes spasm in neck muscles which affect the voice. Physical strength. During the progression of illness, the person has difficulty staying in one spot. Aggressive behavior. Yes, in certain period of illness a person may end up attacking others, sometimes biting them. What may happen with animals, wolves in particular, after they have bitten by poor rabid bastard? Animal strength. No comments. Nocturnal type of living. During the progression of illness, developing high sensitivity to bright light. Scary looks. Same as for real humans. Non-human voice. Howling. No comments. Except the spasm in neck area. Change the voice and eventually stop sound from being produced at all. Strange looking eyes. Spasm in eye muscles can give the eyes an unusual appearance. Aggressive behavior. Yes, the illness drastically changes the animal's behavior. The animal becomes fearless and just starts running and biting any creatures on this animal's way to its final destination. It's not unheard of that wolf can cover 100 kilometers of terrain before succumbing to exhaustion and the illness. Now, let's relate how people came up with protection from supernatural creatures and how it related to rabies. Bright lights. Sure, the bright light causes the pain and discomfort to afflicted. From religious attributes, I will choose the holy water, or even just any water. The sign of water, even sound of water, can cause the painful spasm to those with rabies. Garlic. Garlic has a strong smell and too can cause a painful spasm. Silver. Silver, the metal of choice for defeating many supernatural dangers, actually doesn't fit my theory well. On other hand, silver was known since ancient time to help protect against unknown illnesses. Today the antibacterial, antiviral and antifungal properties of silver are well known. And finally, when examining the virus under the electron microscope, Rabies virus appears to have distinct bullet-like form. It's unfortunate but true that even today, when interacting with wild animals, the chance of getting bit and becoming ill with rabies is still very real. So beware. This bullet can kill ya.